Yeah, go ahead and get out a list. Yeah, our paper, something you can write on for the first part. Why are y'all getting that?
I have a writing book.
Say that again.
I have a writing book, Miss Fusion, that
Find
my
some
dad
somewhere.
bought me.
Okay.
I don't have space in my notebook too, and you said a loosely paper too. A loosely paper is something like one page
All right.
itself.
Why are you concerned about that? Is that anything to do with you? All right, let's go ahead and get started. So let's go ahead and look at the coins. All right, so I want you to draw them out and tell me the amount. So the first one is 6 nickels. So go ahead and draw 6 nickels. Remember, nickels worth 5 cents. So go ahead and draw 6 nickels.
6. Wow.
Yes. So it's not 2, guys. I just said that on number 4, you're doing odd numbers. That's why it starts on bottom 0, and then you go up 1, down 2, up 3. All right, make sure you're drawing 6 nickels. All right, so 6 nickels. Anybody has an answer for us? Okay, Carson? 30 cents. Good. All right, let's look at the next one. Next one, guys, I have 5 dimes, 2 nickels, and 3 pennies. Go ahead and draw this one. 5 dimes, 2 nickels, 3 pennies. Five dimes, 2 nickels, and 3 pennies.
Three pennies, Miss Fusion.
Yes.
Sorry if you hear stuff in my background. It's my dog barking.
Oh, no, it's okay.
One minute, Miss Fusion.
Huh? Oh, okay. It repeats 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17. Like with 2.
Right.
Huh?
And 30 pennies.
This is it right here. 5 dimes, 2 nickels, 3 pennies.
Oh.
And that's mush, not mush. Mush.
Hold up again, Miss Fusion.
Much fun. Shut up. I know how to do
No, that's 1. say that yet. All right, so $5, 2 nickels, 3 pennies. Anybody has an amount for me? What you got? No, not 59. 63 cents. $5 is 50, 55, 60, 61, 62, 63. 63 cents. All right, next one, we have 4 dimes, 7 nickels, and 1 penny. 4 dimes, 7 nickels, and 1 penny. Go ahead and do this one. This one, 4 dimes, 7 nickels, 1 penny.
Hold up again. I'm sorry, but this dog keeps messing.
Tell your mother stop talking.
How do I not do it out loud because it makes noise?
I'm talking about like without covering.
Get that without covering it?
Finish your work. You're so concerned about what they're doing, but you're not even finished with your work.
Covering it? Yes. Okay.
All right, anybody has an amount?
Yeah.
What you got?
76 cents.
Not 6. What you got? Not 77. Count again.
71.
Mm-mm.
I lost 10. Wait, no. I know. 14, 45, 55, 81.
I know the answer, Miss Legend.
Mm-mm. What you got, Avaya?
81 cents.
No, it's not 81, guys. I don't know if y'all drew it right. Are you counting right, Dennis?
75 cents.
It's 76, guys. So you have 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75. No, y'all didn't. Somebody said 76, somebody said 75, somebody said 71. No, 76 cents. 76 cents. You said 77. If a lot of people are telling you that you did, you probably did by accident. You maybe didn't mean that, but yeah. 76 cents. No, it's 76. All right, last one. 3 dimes, 4 nickels, 5 pennies. Isn't that funny? 3 dimes, 4 nickels, and 5 pennies is the last one. I'll tell you how to throw that away and get that right. My friend. All right, anybody has it for us? 3 dimes, 4 nickels, 5 pennies. Okay, everybody, what you have?
55 cents.
55 cents. 3 dimes is 30, then 35, 40, 45, 50. Your 4 nickels, then 5 pennies, 55 cents. All right, good job. Okay, that's all I want you to write down. Let's go into the next part. 61 plus 10. What was 61 plus 10 equals, Carson? 71. 78 plus 10. 78 plus 10. 10 more than 78. Se- 88. All right, September 9th, 2005. Let's write the digital date for that. September 9th, 2005, digital date. Kinley?
That's a spit.
Okay, well, go. 9. 9. 05. Good. So remember, for digital day, you take your month, turn it into a number, and then you just take your date and the last 2 of the year. All right, let's go ahead and do the double digit. Naraya, the first one. Coming at it. Naraya, first one. One, I think that's when you were out. Yes, 9 plus 0 is 9, 2 plus 5 is 7, 79 cents. All right, Dennis, next one. Can you add it for us? 61 cents plus 17 cents.
7 plus 1 equals 8. 6
1
plus
plus
1
7
equals
is
7.
6
78.
plus 1, 78 cents. Good. All right, our last one, Carson. $57, 3 plus 4 is 7, 3 plus 2 is 5. Good. All right, guys, go ahead and get out your math. 56A. Your facts page, 56A. 56A in your math. That'll be your facts page.
Miss Fulgence.
56A, facts page.
Miss Fulgence.
Uh-huh.
I really want to do this page.
What did you say?
I really want to do this page.
You what?
I want to do this page. For my
Yeah, that's
homework.
what we're doing. We're doing the facts page, 56. 56A, your facts.
Oh, that was on 62. 60 dash 2.
Oh, you should have killed it. 56A. Okay. Six. All right, let's go ahead and begin. 56A. All right, Avalia, first fact.
9 plus 4 equals 13.
9 plus 4 is 13. Dennis, next one. You still waiting on the page? Okay. All right, next one, the second one.
Yeah. 7 plus 5 equals 12. 12, 12.
Excuse me, 7 plus 5 equals 12.
7 plus 5 equals 12.
7 plus 5 is 12, okay? Naraya? Say what? 8 plus 7 is 15. Carson? No. Do you know which one we're on? Which one? No.
No, I know.
Go ahead.
7 plus 16.
7 plus 9 is 16, 16, 16. Second row, Dennis.
8 plus 5 equals 13.
8 plus 5 is 13. Okay, Avaya, next one.
Wait, Miss Fujin?
Uh-huh.
I think I was before this.
Oh yeah, you were, but how the screen switched. That's why I had said him first. But that's okay. But you can go ahead.
Okay. But what was what is 8 plus 7, 6 plus 3, and 7 plus 4? I mean 7 plus 9.
7 plus 9 was 16, and then 8 plus 5 is 13. We're on the second row, the second facts.
Okay.
9 plus 8.
9 plus 8 equals 17, 17.
9 plus 8 equals 17, 17, 17. Carson? I'm sorry, Nariah?
4 plus 5 is 999.
4 plus 5 is 999. 7 plus 8 equals 15, 15, 15.
5 plus 3 is 8.
5 plus 3 is 8.
8.
Third row.
9 plus 6 equals 15, 15.
9 plus 8 is 9 plus 6 is 15. Next one. 3 plus 8 is 11. Back to you, Avaya.
5 plus 7 equals, hold up. Equals 12, 12, 12.
5 plus 7 is 12. Okay, Dennis. 9 plus 9.
9 plus 9 plus 9 equals
9 plus 9.
9 plus 9 equals 18.
9 plus 9 is 18. Okay, Nariah.
8 plus 6 is 14, 14.
8 plus 6 is 14. All right, fourth row. 4 plus 3 is 7.
8 plus 7 is
That's 9. That's a 9.
9. 9 plus 7 is 9. Is 7 and 12. So 9 plus 7 is 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Wait. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16, 16, 16. So it's
9 plus 7 is 16. Kinley.
4 plus 8. 12, 12,
4 plus 8 is 12.
5 plus 9 is 14, 14,
5 plus 9 equals 14.
18. Oh, my.
All right, Avaya, next one.
We on Miss Fujin?
We are on 8 plus 8, the last one on the fourth row.
8 plus 8 equals, what does 9 plus 9 equal?
We're not on that one. 8 plus 8.
8 plus 8, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 16, 16.
16. All right, next one, Dennis. Last row.
6 plus 9 equals 15, 15, 15.
No, 6 plus 9 is 15, Nariah.
3 plus 7 equals 16.
3 plus 7 is 10. Carson? 5 plus 8 is 13. Caitlin?
8 plus 9 equals 8 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, wait, not 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
17. 8 plus 9 is 17. And last one, Kinley? 6 plus 8 is 14. Good. All right, guys, let's go to the very next page. It'll be a number line on there. That's what we're about to discuss, what a number line is. Okay. So before we get into the page, let's look on the board first. So we will talk about what a number line is and how to locate points on a number line. So a number line is obviously a line that consists of numbers. That's why it's called a number line. It's a number line, a line with numbers on it. Okay. So our number line is going to count by ones, and it will start with 0 and it ends with 10. As you can see on the end of the number line, there are arrows at the end of each one. These arrows let us know that there are more numbers after that. That's why the arrow is there. It's letting you know that there's numbers if I keep on counting past 10, and there's numbers before I say 0, which are negative numbers. Okay. So our classroom, this number line is showing us from 0 to 10. Okay. So we could go on, but we're just going to focus on 0 through 10. All right. So our number line has whole numbers, as we can see, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the way to 10. These are what we call whole numbers. But if I was to say 1 and a half, I don't see that on a number line. If I was to say 1 and a half, does anyone know where 1 and a half would be on my number line? If I decided to show 1 and a half, where would it be between what two numbers? 1 and a half, 1 and a half. What numbers would 1 and a half be between?
0
Not, no,
1, 0.
no, it will be between 1 and 2 because I'm saying I have 1 and a half. I'm not quite to 2. I'm at 1, but halfway in 1, not quite at 2. That's why it's 1 and a half. If I would say 6 and a half, where would that be between 6 and a half? It will fall between what? 6 and 7 because I'm saying 6 and 1/2. That's 6 and a half. Not quite 7, but 6 and a half. What if I would say 4 and a half? Where would that fall in between? 4 and a half. 4 and 5 because I'm saying that's 4 and a half. Okay. So what we're going to do is locate points on our number line. Okay, so say if I wanted to find point A, I wanted to mark point A on number, I'm gonna put the letter A above 0.9. So what I would do is find 9. You're not doing this in your book, guys. We're on the board. I'm not in the book yet. So if I wanted to put the letter A above 0.9, what I do is I go to 9, right? I put a dot like this to show point, and then I'll put an A. So what I did was I marked point A. Say if I wanted to mark letter C on point 3, what I do is I go to 3 on my number line, I put my point, which is the dot, and I put C. See that? This is how we mark points on a number line. Say if I wanted to mark an F on point 6, where would I go to number 6? Put my dot, a point, and then put F. This is how you mark points on a number line. So that's what we're about to do. So go ahead and let's look at your book on number 1. Are you in your book of I.N. Dennis? Okay, so go ahead and fill in the numbers on that number line, the first one. It has 0 and 1 done for you. Fill in the rest. Yes. Okay, me too. All the time here.
That's what you gotta talk about. Yeah, 4,500 people.
Okay, do we have our number line number?
Yes, ma'am.
So what number should it have went to?
10.
It should have went to 10. All right, so let's go ahead and do the next thing. It says, put a point at 7 on the number line. So go to number 7. Did I have a 7 on it? You didn't write a 7.
Oh.
Okay, so guys, what is a point?
A dot.
It's just a dot. So go ahead to 7 and put a point on 7.
What number?
7.
It says on there. Put a point at 7.
Okay, so find 7. This is what a point looks like. Do y'all see that? This is a point.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, then it tells us put the letter A above that point. So let's put the letter A above point 7.
I was about to write it.
Avaya and Dennis, are you writing this? Okay, the letter A above point 7. All right, let's look at the next part. It says put a point on 4 on the number line. So where do we go to number?
4.
Let's put a point on 4. And it says write the letter B above that point on point 4. So write the letter B, which we learned in cursive today. Hey, do we have our letter B?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, awesome. All right, so let's go ahead and go to number 2. Well, Dennis and Avaya, let me see. Make sure we did that right. Let me see it in your book. Pull it back, Avaya. That's actually not the correct page. Dennis, that's not the correct page. This is the page. You skipped the page. It's lesson worksheet 57. Okay, Avaya, thank you. All right, let's go to number 2. So let's go ahead and fill in the missing numbers. Go ahead and do that now on number 2. Fill in what numbers are missing. Some are filled in, some are missing.
Odd numbers that we had to fill in. No. So 1, 3, 5, 7.
Okay.
3,000. Like when I press the button, it doesn't make no noise.
Yes. All right, do we have our numbers filled in? All right, so it says put a point on 5. So let's go ahead and put a point at 5. A point at 5.
Okay, I did that already.
Okay. All right, so we have a point at 5. It says write the letter C above that point. So write the letter C above the 5. I'm writing it in cursive.
Must keep it lowercase.
Yeah, either one is fine. I mean, whichever.
Okay.
Okay, next it tells us put a point at 9 on the number line. Number 9.
Oh, I want some more. It's hot in his pajamas.
All right, and then it says, write the letter D above that point, letter D. Okay, do we have that? There's an Avaya. Dennis, you found the page? No, still getting it. Avaya, you marked it? Okay, let's go to number 3. All right, guys, so fill in the missing numbers. I'm not smiling.
It is even number because look, the one they added even is the first one and the one that
All right, so okay, so guys, as you can see, number 3 is already filled in with letters. So if you look on the bottom though, please the bottom, what you have to do is figure out what the message is. So what you'll do is let's go to number 2. So find 2 on the line and put whatever letters above the 2. Then go to 10, find whatever letters above 10 and put that letter. And as you do it, it'll tell you something. Please don't say it once you figure it out.
so easy on the first one and the odd are the last ones and the last one got the bottom and the last one are skipping the other one and then skipping the other one.
All right, could you do what I asked you to do? Thank you.
How do they know we're thinking? They know necessary. No, it's not. So, take. Then you put power in your mouth, but you couldn't in my mouth. It's hard. That's just I'm chewing on my right. I chew on my right and I'm right.
Dennis left, Miss Fusion.
You coming back in? What?
Or no.
Could you see? Do you need to take a break outside? Get control of yourself. All right, so did we figure out the words at the bottom?
Yes, ma'am. I did.
Okay. Are you really about to interrupt me? All right, so for those who figured out, what does it say? It says math is fun. That's what the words were. Math is fun. Awesome. All right, guys. So yeah, so that's it for our math lesson today. Let's go ahead and get out your reading book. We'll move on to our reading. 117, 117. Okay, what is page 117? What is words first? 117.
I think my book is upstairs, Miss Fusion.
Huh?
I think my book is upstairs, Miss Regis.
First grade. Pronouns take practice. I think we have iron because that's the problem. Oh, yeah. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. So let's look at our ER words. ER, guys, we're going around. So I know everybody wants to read, but we're gonna go around. Okay, Naraya, ER, come read the words. Come on. Our book is right here.
No one was just got that already. And I must go with a bullet at top.
All right, go ahead, ER, make it quick. Make it quick.
Better,
What page, Miss Regis?
never,
117.
number, factor, layer, herself, later,
Mm-mm,
ladder, letter, country,
Counter.
counter, butter.
Good. Okay, let's look at the next one. UR, and nurse, Carson. Guys, we're going around. I had made that clear already. UR, like in nurse. I'm gonna get in a second. No, that's not the one. No, it should be in your binder. Yeah, I took it home. Wait, come right here.
Burner, curve, bird, surround, burn, burst,
Quick, what are you doing? What are you doing? Let's see, get it out. Start all over again. Thank you, Carson. Next one, Taylin. That's not the page, it's 117.
But I don't know what number we are on.
107, IRR, bird.
Bird, birthday, birthday. BIRTHDAY, birthday. You don't have to spell it.
You don't have to
Bird,
I'm gonna say it.
for earth. Shirt. 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 Thirst. Effort. Thirst. Firm. There. Stir. Wait. Stir. Girl. Girl. Air. Girl. Word. Squirt. School. Squirt.
Okay, next one. Focus here.
Third. Effort. Third. Wait. Meal.
World.
World. World. Air. Swirl. Arrow. Swirl. Dirt. Dare.
Dirt. Stop. Why are you doing that? Okay, Kenley? All right, let's start our next story in our book. The Get Well Gifts. Stephen
ran up the sidewalk to Megan's house as he bottled up the steps.
Terrible idea.
Megan opened the door. What's the matter? Megan asked. His ear broke his leg. How? Asked Megan. Stephen, Megan, and had all met in first grade. They all lived on the same street and went to the same church. Stephen and Luke played on the same baseball team, and they had to have their first game yesterday at baseball game. There was a hot slide and Luke hurt his leg, sliding into the hole. They said, Stephen, can we go see him?
All right, stop there. All right, so we're introduced to our characters, Stephen and Megan, specifically. Okay, so Stephen is running up to Megan's house to tell her what happened to Luke, what ended up happening.
He
to
broke
Luke.
his leg.
He broke his leg. Where did he break it?
At his baseball
At his
game.
baseball game, and what was he doing?
He was
He was sliding into first plate, and that is where he broke, that's where it happened. Okay, stay. We're still on 119. Where's he go? Oh. He is at home. And just finish yours. No, she said next part.
He is at home in bed, said Stephen. Why don't we make Luke a get well gift? Asked Stephen. Oh yes, I like that plan, said Megan. Let's see what we have inside the house that we can use to make a gift. Stephen and Megan went inside and saw Megan's mom in her craft room. Stephen's eye lit up as he saw paint, glitter, paper, markers, craft stickers, and yarn.
Okay.
My mom will help us, Megan said to Steve.
All right, thank you. All right, so what did Megan and Stephen want to do?
Want to make a
Well, they wanted to go visit. Yeah, they wanted to go visit him, and then what would they make him? A get well gift. Okay, Avaya, page 120.
A box? Asked Stephen. What kind of gift can we make with that? It's just a plain box. Oh, there's a lot we can do with a box. A box can be a plane or a jet, said Megan, or a train or a boat, added Stephen. That's it, a boat, said Stephen. Let's make a sailboat. And the box can be the sea. You can use my crafts to make a seascape, said Megan's mom. I love it, said Megan.
Okay, good. So they were gonna make him a box. And so it was a plain box, but what were they gonna try to put on the box? A boat, right? So let's look at 121. All right, Dennis, 121.
Who was the blue paint and glitter line the inside of the plain flat? Megan cut and glued the paper. Seashells. Seashells. To lid the lid of the box, while Stephen made a sailboat out of his. How can we get the boat to sail? Stephen asked. Mom began to cut a path for the sailboat inside the box. Megan had to smoke two sticks and said if we glue the sticks to the boat, we can sail on the top. Yes, Stephen said. You go like that. No time they have. They have Megan and Stephen. Mira, their work,
Yeah, I told you to do it all over.
but something seemed to be missing.
Well, you might have to start over then.
Megan's eyes rested on a crack had
He's at the bottom of 121.
section on top. On the top inside the drum shop had the seat. But Megan said that verse was as you will have to after. Miss Lujan,
Yes.
I think last time, before, didn't we read this before?
Not this one. Okay, all right. So they started to make his box. They put paint, blue paint, glitter, right? And so how were they going to get it to sail? Yeah, it was glue, right? They glued the stick to the boat. It would stay still on its path, right? So, okay, so what else did they write on it? What were they going to write on it? A scripture verse, right? That would help Luke, okay? 122, Nariah? 122. Yeah, switch.
with the marker, Stephen and Megan painted the verse inside the lid of the box. They took to get well gifts to Luke's home. Luke took one at his tip and gave Stephen and Meg a big smile. You made all of this for me, asked Luke. Yes, said Megan. Luke took off the lid and saw the verse. Look at the verse. The look in his eyes made Megan and Steve so glad it wasn't just a fun gift. It helped Luke remember that God was with him.
Okay, good. So whenever Luke, whenever they brought the gift to Luke, did he like it?
Yes.
Did it encourage him?
Yes.
Yes, it probably encouraged him through his time of, his leg being broken, his pain. So this probably helped him out in different ways. Okay. All right, good job, guys. You can go ahead and put your book away. Not Tuesday. All right, go ahead and get out your spelling list. List 10, page 20. First grade, clear you guys is ready for Zoom. And now you can get your pronouns paper ready. Yes, go ahead and get out your spellings. List 20, list 10, page 20, list 10, page 20. All right. List 10, that's where we are. You have it, Dennis and Abaya, list 10. Are you still getting it? Okay.
I have it, Miss Prudence.
Okay. And Arcus. Bow, not bow. All right, let's go over list 10, guys.
I don't have it.
All right, so list 10, we'll focus on sounds from chart 9. We have suffix ing, kn, gn, ang, all of those. All right, let's begin. Number 1, talking. T-A-L-K-I. Number 2, no. K-N-O-W, no. 3, sign. S-I-G-N, sign. 4, thing. T-H-I-N-G, thing. 5, strong. S-T-R-O-N-G, strong. 6, stung. S-T-U-N-G, stung. 7, thanks. T-H T-H-A-N-K-E-D. Thanked. 8, twinkle. T-W-I-N-K-L-E. Twinkle. 9, honk. H-O-N-K. Honk. Where's the honk? 10, chipmunk. C-H-I-P-M-U-N-K. Chipmunk. 11, spelling. S-P-E-L-L-I-N-G. Spelling. 12, knee. K-N-E-E. Knee. 13, swing. S-W-I-N-G. Swing. 14, blank. B-L-A-N-K. Blank. 15, move. M-O-V-E, move. 16, who. W-H-O. Who. 17, Ben. B-E-E-N. Ben. All right, let's go over your Greek and Latin this week. So here's your Greek word, holos. H-O-L-O-S. Holos, and it means whole, entire, like the whole thing. And then your 2 Latin words, X, E-X, like it means out of, beyond, like when you exit, you get out of the room, see? And arcus, A-R-C-U-S, arcus, and it means bow or arc, like when you say archery, that's the bow and arrow sport. All right, good. All right, guys, so that's it for our Zoom on today. I will see you guys on tomorrow. Make sure you complete all your workbook pages and your spelling, okay? Bye-bye. Huh?